Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, and you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on display in text or text size here, just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to color filters, just click on it, and you click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean color filters enable with us now. And here can you select type of colors here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.